Now here again we are going for the numerical based on resistances. Now see this circuit, this circuit, and this what we have to determine, find the equivalent resistance between A and D, that is RAD. Now for calculating the RAD, A, B, C and D. Now see here, we have to calculate this in this direction. We have to see it from here, but we have to calculate this question. Now see here, these two resistances are in parallel. So we can make it this 7 ohm, this is A, say it is A and say it is B. It is having 3 ohm. Now these resistances here, they are both are in series, 10 ohm and 5 ohm. So we can make it like this. Now for calculating it, 10 plus 5 means this resistance is going to be 15 ohm, which is for this 15 ohm. Now this resistance is of 10 ohm. Now they are both in parallel. Now here we have reduced it from this B to, it is now here C. Okay. Now the resistance between A and C both are in parallel. One is 10 ohm and another one is, so we can make another circuit. Here we are having this, both are in parallel, that's why we are using the formula for parallel, which is 1 upon Rp, and this resistance of 7 ohm, again we are having C, here it is A and here it is D. Now we can have 1 upon Rp is equal to, we can directly take 150, so it is 15 plus 10 means it is going to be 1 upon Rp, which is equal to 25 upon 150, nearly Rp is equal to 6 ohm. Now this resistance is of 6 ohm value and this resistance of 3 ohm and this is of 7. Now if we are seeing it from here, both are in series. They are not having any other branches. Here we are having branches, 1 and 1. That's why they are in parallel. Okay. Now here what we are having? We are having these two are in series. So the connection will be like this. This is, say it is D and say it is B. So 7 plus 6, it is in series. 7 plus 6, it is 13 ohm. It is 13 ohm. 7 plus 6, both are in series. Now we are going to calculate RAD. Now it is in parallel. So we will be having final AD, that is RAD, and both are in parallel. That's why we are going to have 1 upon RAD, which is equals to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 13. Now here we are having this 39, 13 plus 3 RAD. So RAD is going to be 39 upon 16 ohm. So finally we have come to this. This RAD is having a value of 39 upon 16 ohm. Okay. This way we can calculate simply. Here what we have done, we have to calculate the value of RAD. We have to look it from here, but we have to calculate the question from there. So if you see both are in series, that's why we have taken this series combination, that is this, and again it is now it is in parallel. It is in parallel. Now we have taken this parallel and after that we have solved it by this. Finally we come to have it the shape like this network. Now both are in series. We have taken into this. Both are in series. We have taken this value over here. Again we are having final result, that is RAD, which is both are in parallel. We have used ultimately what we have got, RAD is equals to 39 upon 16 ohm. This way we can solve the questions related to network or circuit. Now similarly another question, here we are having a series combination along with a parallel combination, and then it is connected with a battery of 10 volt. Now simply what we have to calculate, we have to calculate, find the current I flowing through the circuit. So when first what we have to do, we have to calculate this resistance and this resistance. So I am trying the circuit again. So 3 plus 1 both are in series, that's why it is 4 ohm. It is in series. Similarly here it is both are in series, RS, which is equals to also 2 plus 2, that is 4 ohm. It is like this. Now we are having a parallel combination of 4 ohm each. So we can reduce this. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is equals to 1 upon Rp. Ultimately we are getting an equivalent resistance of this, which is connected with a battery of 10 volt. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, we are having this 1 upon Rp, which is equals to 2 by 4. Rp is equals to 2 ohm. Now we have got the equivalent resistance. Now we have to determine the current I. Now we know the Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R. We have to determine the I. So we can have V upon R is equal to I. Just we have got the, we can use Rp. We have got the equivalent resistance of this total combination. It is, so we will be substituting the value of this, E tan, V is tan, and this equal to this. So ultimately what we are having, the value of current, which is going to be 5 ampere. Okay. So this way we can solve the circuit